Hello guys and welcome to Everyday Internet, where you get daily updates of internet. A parrot was filmed in Brazil rocking out and busting a move.
Caralho, zerou a vida! Zerou a vida, papo reto! Caralho! Mano, que isso?
These guys found the baby owl and decided to make friendship with it.
Guys, this is me, my new boy, Oliver the Owl.
Nobody will ever believe this is a wild owl.
You want any?
No.
No? Yeah, you're too young. You're too young. No, he's too young. We can't now.
He's not gonna drink it.
A building was on fire and the firefighters were trying to rush over, but the fire truck couldn't get through as a car was in the way, so people gathered to help move it.
Молодцы.
That's the end of today's video. See you soon.